Welcome back to the Wade Farms YouTube video. Almost just hit my shin on that hedge. That would have hurt. We're in Mexico today on private property. Everybody here's over the age of 18. Got to fire up the OLS tractor. Assist. Flick the key, let the glow plugs go. Holy radio. Okay, glow plugs are off. There we go, she's all fired up. LS tractor, we gotta put this on here with our quick attach. So we just lower it down. Should lift up perfectly. Now that doesn't have a lock on it, but that loads off. Okay. This one. Yep. Didn't need much grease. This are, oh, okay. Yeah. We're just greasing this up before we take it off. I can't see.
It's still pumping. Oh, I see it.
Okay.
Right here. Well, here first.
Yep.
And pushed in all the way?
Yeah.
Okay, I see it coming out. Just a couple spurts at a time.
And one more. Okay. This one right here.
Yep.
I don't see it coming out yet.
They must have forgot to grease that.
Oh, yep. Okay. Alright.
Now,
got the OLS tractor. I'll do some mud balking right here with it. But yeah, we gotta set this grapple down. Oh, go back. Good. Right, we can put in the bucket. So we got the grapple bucket, forks, and a regular bucket for this thing. So, slipping in the mud a little bit here. And we just set everything on pallets so it doesn't get, you know. Oh, Mike, gonna be happy about this. Right now we're going to back up to this land leveler, and this works for the driveway, gravel driveway too. So if you want to look at that for a couple seconds and read it, but should be able to just back right up to it. Alright. He's just got to get it good himself. It's not perfectly square to it, but that shouldn't matter. It should correct itself. Keep going back. Hold on. You gotta line yourself up just a little better.
Which way do I
You gotta go this way on it. You have to be that way more.
Hard to move in this mud.
Yeah, I know. That's probably good. Right, yeah, you look good. Turn your wheel. Oh. You have to pull forward up on it again. Perfect, keep going.
If I just turn left, the bottom's hooked?
Yeah. Yeah, it's... We might have to tip the whole thing out more. I think that's what's going on. Alright, let's tip this out. Yes, for all yous, I do have a driver's license. Oh, gotta hop in the work truck here. Yeah. Run Fords, you don't have problems. Starts up perfectly. Imagine that, it goes into gear. I'm trying to hit this basketball hoop. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Sounds like a mouse. Wait for it to beep, beep. Oh, perfect. Alright, that's all she wrote. Alright. Just got the land leveler here. We've never used this before, so we're not sure how this is gonna work. But I guess so. I don't know. I've got to go 0.5 times soon. I mean, it's working. I'll have to run 2 times over that. There's a big bump there, but yeah, it seems like it's working decent. Yeah, it seems like it was working decent.
Grabbing with the front body, but not with the back.
Wow, yeah. But I mean, this divot that was here, I mean, it filled it in a little bit, but
Move that hook on it, didn't we?
well, we didn't touch anything on this.
So, does the hook have to be lower?
I have no idea.
Or do I need to tip it more with that?
Maybe tip it more, yeah. I'm not sure. I'll go inside and lock it. There we go. Yeah, because it probably should be about level. Oh, yeah, I can see this moving. I don't know if you guys can see it moving or not. Yeah, that's probably good.
What we could do is drop the hook. If you drop that hook,
I'll drop the whole thing more. I don't think it would. I don't know.
That's more level. But are these teeth even going to hook in there?
Oh, you're worrying about the teeth?
No, but we could drop the teeth.
Oh, that's... I don't know if you'd want to.
Just leave the teeth where they
I'd
are,
just
right?
leave the teeth, yeah.
Okay.
The teeth are like, if you wanted to rip up like ruts in a forest or something, then you lower them down. I think, and that's what I'm thinking at least. Morale equipment. So we got our LS tractor. Go pick yourself up one. Nice guy. Gave us a good deal on this tractor, so... You can tell by that little thing that's lowered down. Oh yeah, they're both working now. Yeah, ain't half bad. Just kinda gonna follow on Gunner! Baby! boy. That's a good boy. Yes, you. Yes, that's a good boy. I know. Right, Gunner? Okay, maybe with this harder stuff, you might want to get those hooks digging. But still, it's not doing a bad job. We got some potholes up here. I don't know. I'll try to show you the before and after when we get to the potholes. But yeah, it's doing a wonderful job. Uh-oh, something happened. Going back, I don't know if that's the strat. Oh, he's probably gonna have me move something out of the way.
Where it's hard packed, I don't think it's doing anything.
Yeah, that's where it's hard packed. We might want to drop those things down. Drop them all down?
Just one tooth, I think. Or one slot.
One slot?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. So, we dropped the teeth down too. So hopefully that will dig up better. Oh. And we'll see here. Right up to 1,500. There we go. 15, I mean. Oh yeah, they're working. They're digging that hard pack. That's nice right there. Cameraman doing his best. Oh, got a car moved out of our way. Oh yeah, he's just digging away. Got him set to perfect height here. Wow, that's amazing. Here, I'm gonna unzoom. I'm gonna kind of go ahead and show you guys these potholes right here, right next to this tree. So straight shot right next to this tree. Watch these. I want to see if I can get a thumbnail real quick. Yeah, watch these potholes. I'm gonna hold the camera right here. This filled it right in. And look, there ain't much of a pothole there anymore. It's basically level. Probably want to run it through one more time, but you can definitely see where it's scraping. But yeah, I think lower them things down. What scrapes an inch of that hard pack is perfect. So, yeah. These things. Now this tractor's getting the gravel driveway graded today. Look at all the gravel here. We want to do some adjustments so it drops a little bit more. I don't know.
Hey.
Yeah?
It's like clumping up though, huh? What do we do about that?
I have no idea. I don't know.
Maybe we haven't tipped too much.
You think so?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to do an adjustment again. Well, I think another part of it is it's actually a little too wet and it's clumping. You can see where it's clumping a little bit, but yeah, that has something to do with it, definitely.
If we let the back so it doesn't catch so much.
You still want to catch a little bit, but not much, you know.
Well, I don't know. I guess we're just testing too.
Yeah. Oh, I'd maybe try that. Oh. We got about an inch, maybe a half an inch showing at the back here. Okay, I'll try that. All right. Set it again. Gunner! Gunner! Come here, boy. Oh, come here. Oh, nope. He's like, oh, chickens? Oh, wait, squirrel? Where? Okay. All right. Just saying, you know, once you get yours tuned in and it works good for you, then, you know, oh, somebody didn't put it in gear. Yeah, maybe that seems like it's working. Maybe it was too much. Oh no, that's way nicer. That's how we have to do it there. That looks good. Yeah. Let's watch it fill a couple more piles. I don't want this video to get more than 20 minutes long, even though you guys do like watching that less tractor videos, but let's watch these potholes here. Too much. There we go. We'll just watch them get filled. See how nice the job this does. Uh-oh, adjustment. Do a little bit more adjusting.
Yeah, I think that's too much.
Too much? Okay, that's kind of what I was thinking a little bit. But, yeah. Alright, we'll be back when we have this when we think it's perfectly. Now he's using the back blade on it. We adjusted it pretty decent. I'm not sure what he thinks about it, but he's probably gonna go grab another scrape again. Gotta check on our private road here that we paved. You know, our private road here, so pretty good. Probably should get those radios out because we let you know, everybody use our private road here. So yeah, you know, our private road in Mexico, and we grow grass. Grass grows really well here and where we are in Mexico, so, you know, really well. The grass grows. People always think, oh, it's Mexico, it's so dry, but no, it's so humid and it rains all the time. The grass grows crazy here. All right. That's what the driveway looks like right now. We're just backblading some of this right now. Yeah, driveway ain't looking half bad. You can tell even from, you know, distance. You can see where it's, you know. But yeah, half bad. I'll give you guys when we're completely done. I'll cut and I'll show you. So yeah, we raised the teeth back up on it, and we're done here. We'll take a little walk real quick. Yeah, leveled everything else out real nice. Them teeth do a real good job too. Yeah, that whole setup's really good. You can see the whole driveway looks real nice. What do you think, Gunner? Did you get all wet? Yeah, okay. Hey, as long as you don't care, I don't really care. No. He's a yard dog, and he's gonna get wet. Is that right, Gunner? Okay. So yeah, we raised up the teeth so it wouldn't dig as much, if it does any, on this part over here, because this part doesn't get driven on as much. Driv on as much, I guess I should say. But yeah, so we're just gonna drop it down and let it do its thing here regularly, and see. It's only digging just a little bit, maybe half an inch into the ground, so yeah, it ain't half bad. It's a real nice machine. This was really bad, but this wasn't that bad. So you hope that thing grades that really good.
I might have to put the teeth back down, huh?
I don't know. A little bit of bone, yep, that's gonna get graded into the driveway. Be an artifact. Somebody digs it up 200 years later, be like, oh my god, look at this, it's a bone from a bison that was 500 million years ago, or something stupid. Or a prehistoric deer leg or something. Yeah, that's probably what it is.
I might need you to put that board by the car.
Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna do more stuff here in Mexico. Yeah, see here, it didn't do good. Dropping those teeth down, I think, does a better job.